you. I'm going to put him in your hand, and then you're going to just kind of start peeling away. His head should be right here where this little spot is.
Okay.
So you can just start kind of cracking and peeling away that hard part, and then he'll kind of start coming out when he's ready. Thank you. Okay. Can you get some movement?
Yeah, he's moving.
You can actually now, you can just start kind of like kind of pinching and wiggling him and see if we can even, there's his head right there. We're going to line him up. Thank you.
Look, look, look. Ah! Didn't I just catch him?
Hold on to him right here, and then you can take a picture. Make a circle. Make a circle with your thumb. There you go. Perfect. Now hold him up and take a picture. And then the shell, let me help you real quick. We're just going to fold this right underneath his belly. Open your hand just a little bit because we don't want that to come off. There we go. Perfect. And then I'll take this hard part.